Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC860031 Benchtop pH meter. The IC860031 is a professional and feature-packed benchtop pH meter suitable for lab use. The benchtop unit is brimming with features including automatic or manual temperature compensation, digital and analog outputs, minimum and maximum data view, 99 data points of onboard storage, a data hold function, a measurement stability indicator, and it can be calibrated up to 5 points. This feature-rich and easy-to-use device is encased in rugged plastic housing and has an extra-large LCD that displays the pH or millivolt value, along with the date, time, and the temperature. In the box there's an electrode holder arm. This is capable of holding 4 probes and has a maximum swing angle of 70 degrees and maximum height of 37.8 centimeters. There's the electrode holder base, a cable to connect the unit to a computer, power adapter, a CD with the Spur data acquisition software, a complete user guide, a pH electrode with automatic temperature compensation. This has a temperature probe for ATC and a standard BNC plug for pH measurements. The electrode has a storage cap pre-filled with some storage solution. And last of all, there's the benchtop unit. This features the extra large multi-display LCD, 6 buttons. These are power set, use this to switch the meter on and off, or press and hold it to enter into device settings. Calibration and escape. This button enters into calibration mode, or when you're in calibration or data recall modes, pressing this key returns to normal measurement mode. Hold and record. Press this to freeze a reading on the display, then press it again to release, or press and hold this key to move between normal measurement mode and data recall mode. Mode and up selection. In normal mode, press this to move between the available measurement modes, or when in device settings and calibration, press this to increase the value. Memo and down selection. In normal mode, press this to save your reading to the device memory. In device settings or calibration mode, press this to decrease the setting value. Min-max confirm. In setting or calibration mode, use this to confirm your selection, or in recall mode, press this to view the minimum and maximum memory. On the bottom of the meter, there's a built-in drawer to store notes and other reference data, along with 4 non-slip feet and 2 holes to attach the electrode arm holder. The electrode can be installed on the left or right-hand side, depending on user preference. Last of all, on the back is where you'll find the input connectors. There's DC for the power supply, RS232, this is for the connection of an RS232 or USB cable to a computer, MIC, this is an input for a conductivity probe, G&D 1 and 2, these are for earth ground jack inputs. Analog, this is an input for strip chart recorders. BNC, this port is for any pH or ORP probe with a BNC connector. ATC, this is a phone jack input for the temperature compensation probe. To get set up, install the electrode arm into the electrode base. This simply clicks into place. Plug the device in using the included power supply. Select whether you would like the electrode arm on the left or right of the meter, then place the meter over the matching knob on the electrode arm. Plug the BNC connector and temperature jack into the back of the unit. And install the electrode into the holder. The excess cable can be threaded through the 2 notches on the arm to keep the cables neat. Press the power set key to switch on the meter. The device will switch on and be in measurement mode. On the main measurement mode screen, you can see the measurement mode, the current measurement, the current temperature. ATC indicates the meter is in automatic temperature compensation mode. Ready indicates that the reading is stable. This is the total number of readings saved in the device memory, in this case it's 0, and below this is the date and the time. To watch a video demonstrating how to set up and calibrate this meter, see the videos linked in the description. Or for more information on the IC860031 Benchtop pH meter, speak with an instrument choice scientist. Call 1300 737 871 or email customer-service@instrumentchoice.com.au. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.